Bella's sitting down to eating a nice thing of Play-Doh. Is that good, Bella? With a dirty spoon from the dishwasher? Play-Doh. Yuck. That cannot taste good. Is that yummy? It is? Oh. That's not yucky? Yuck. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Yuck. She's got to stop soon. It cannot taste good. You want to throw that in the trash? Do you want to throw that Play-Doh in the trash? Yeah. It's starting to hit you now. It's disgusting.